Hello everyone and welcome to Perspective by Priya. As I say, perspective matters. Today's story is about a farmer who had a few puppies. He needed to sell those puppies because he was in need of money. So he prepared a signboard and thought to put it up for advertising for the same. While he was putting last nail into it, he felt someone pulling his clothes. He turned. He saw a little boy, probably 8 or 9 years old, standing there. He asked him, "Yes, what can I do for you?" The boy asked, "Sir, I want to have one of the puppies." The farmer asked the boy, "Do you have money?" The boy slipped his hand into his pocket and took out a few pennies. He asked the farmer, "Sir, would these be enough to have a look at the puppies? Maybe I can come later with my parents and then buy them." The farmer was amazed to see curiosity in the eyes of that little boy, and he agreed that yes, the boy could have a look at the puppies. The farmer called for someone, and then came puppies rushing out from the dog house. The boy stuck his face to the fence to have a look at those lovely creatures. While he was noticing all the puppies were rushing on the ramp, there was one puppy who was hobbling and trying very hard to catch up with others. Suddenly, that boy told the farmer, "I want that puppy, that last one." The farmer kneeled down and said, "No boy, you don't want that. You know, he is having a problem. His hip bone is missing, and that's why he could not run and play like other puppies. You would not enjoy with him as much you could with other puppies." At this, the boy started rolling over one of the legs of his trousers and showed the farmer something. On one of the legs, the boy had steel braces that were attached to a specially made shoe. The boy told the farmer, "I want that puppy only because he needs someone who understands." The farmer agreed to it. He handed over that puppy to the boy. The boy asked the farmer, "How much, sir?" The farmer said, "No charge for it." My takeaway from this story, that the world is full of people who need someone who understands. Do what you can with what you have wherever you happen to be. Remember, sometimes reality is too complex, and understanding or having compassion is the best we could do for others, for ourselves. So be compassionate, try to be empathetic. This is the simple message that I wanted to convey through today's story. Keep watching Perspective by Priya. If it could change your perspective even a bit, I would be very glad. Thank you. May God bless you all. This is Priya Hana signing off.